If Mistplay is stuck on the loading screen, the problem is usually not your account. It's usually app data, connection issues, or an outdated app version. By the end of this, you'll know the fastest fixes, what causes it, and what to do if nothing works. First, the quick answer: force close the app and reopen it. On Android, open recent apps, swipe Mistplay away, and launch it again. That clears temporary background errors. If the loading screen was just hanging, this often fixes it immediately. If it still freezes, check your internet. Mistplay needs a stable connection, because it verifies your account, game offers, and reward progress when it opens. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or the other way around. If your network is weak or unstable, the app can get stuck trying to sync. Next, check for updates. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Mistplay. If there's an update button, install it. Older versions can stop working properly if Mistplay changes how its servers connect. If the app is updated and still stuck, clear cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account. A corrupted cache is one of the most common reasons apps freeze on startup. Still loading forever? Clear App Data. Same menu, but choose Clear Data. This resets the app completely, so you'll need to log in again. Your rewards and account progress should still be tied to your account, not the app install. Now check if your phone itself is the issue. Make sure your device has enough free storage. If your storage is almost full, apps can fail to load properly. Also restart your phone. That clears system-level memory problems that can block app startup. One more thing. Check if Misplay's servers are down. So the main fixes are simple: force close the app, switch networks, update it, and clear cache or data. Start with force close and cache first. Those are the fastest. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.